top with tori for today. President Muhammadu Buhari don sit down on top the Federal Executive Council meeting. For Federal Executive Council meeting, President Muhammadu Buhari don preside on top am as dem approve many road projects dem and dem do many talk. Dis road project so wey dem approve for the meeting bin stand on top over 3.5 hours as dem do many talk unto many projects wey dey the country. As dem do dis talk finish, Minister of Information and Culture Lai Mohammed e waka enter with Minister of Works and Housing Babatunde Raji Fashola as dem follow tori pipo talk on top how the meeting take go and the things wey dem approve.
Iremo Enwa Ilesha bypass, I think is seeking for an augmentation from 6.7 billion naira to 9.8 billion naira. And the second one is an approval for the augmentation again of the contract for the utilization of the Suleja Lambata Mina Road Phase 2. Here again, we're seeking the augmentation. We saw the augmentation and got approval from 23.6 billion to 36.2 billion.
It's important to also emphasize that all of these are in keeping first with the desire and determination to focus on projects that can be completed rather than just starting new projects. They are also consistent with the realities of economic rates, market price indices for road inputs like cement, iron rod, diesel, petrol, and lubricants, and the changes that have taken place on the national economic stage with regard to those.
Questions comes today from Minister for Works and Housing Babatunde Raji Fashola onto the position where public-private partnership dey on top road maintenance and construction for the country. As they come follow tori pipo yarn on top how this one don waka reach for im ministry.
There is no law that prohibits tolling in Nigeria today. We expect to return toll plazas. We have concluded their designs of what they will look like, what material they will be built with, what new considerations must go into them. What we are looking at now and trying to conclude is how the back end runs. And that is important because we want to limit significantly, if not totally eliminate cash at the plazas, while ensuring that electronic devices that are being used do not impede rapid movement.
Now here we see the better information reach on top with tori for today. As the Federal Executive Council meeting wey shele for State House Abuja, the one wey President Muhammadu Buhari wey sit down on top, don approve many projects for the country. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im bring am come give una. To continue to dey get this sharp and clear informate as e dey shele for we country, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And now still follow us waka enter Facebook for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to dey get ogbonge informate as e dey shele.